And we're really going to start out with a Tuscan dish called pollo compresso, which means pressed chicken. And to do it, you want to first flavor some olive oil. So I've got some olive oil in my skillet, and I'm just cutting up a couple shallots now. To begin with, I'm going to start out with a couple cloves of whole garlic and a sprig of fresh rosemary. I want to flavor my oil with that, and when the garlic starts to turn color, then I'm going to add the shallots. And along with the shallots, I'm having finocchio, which is fennel in Italian, and this is again something that the Tuscans love to have. And these now you can save for soup or you can use them in salad. But today we're just going to be using the bulb part of the fennel. And all I want to do is cut this up into some just thin strips. And today I'm doing this with chicken breast, but you could do it with cut up chicken pieces. And what you want to do is make sure that you have washed and dried the chicken well. So there are my 4 split breasts, and I've left the skin on in order to keep this juicy and moist. And now I want to add a little bit of salt on the chicken just to season it nicely, and a little bit of coarse black pepper. Now I can take out the rosemary, and I want you to know that this oil is smelling absolutely wonderful. And I'm going to take out those cloves of garlic. Now I'm adding fennel and the shallots. That goes in, and then with this I'm going to be adding, of course, my chicken. And the trick here is to cook this in a heavy skillet. I'm doing it in a cast iron one. And if you don't have that, well then use the heaviest pot that you have. And put the chicken pieces in, skin side down amongst your shallots and your fennel. So there goes all of my chicken. And then just season on the underside with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Take this pan off and let's see where we are. Smelling wonderful. Oh boy, it's time to turn it over. Look at how beautiful the color is on the other side. So once you turn it over, what do you think you do now? You put that pot right back on so you can get the other side brown.